Hey guys, good morning, and this is all here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, first of all, welcome to KD Architect. So, I hope you have been learning the Revit software through our tutorials. And if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So, in this video, I'll talk about the monolithic stair in Revit and how you guys create the monolithic stair and how to change the structural depth of the landing and how to change the different parameters for the monolithic stair. In this tutorial we'll see in deep, so for the better understanding keep watching till end. And also we'll see how you guys can create the solid base under the stair, how you guys can fill the gap under the monolithic stair. So we'll see also in this tutorial. So keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So over here, as you can see on the screen, we have level 1 and one 3D view. So now over here, we'll create one basic monolithic stair first. For that, you can go architecture tab and here you will find stair icon. So over here, we'll create one monolithic stair. So drop down this menu and over here, just select the monolithic stair. So we have three type: assemble stair, cast in, place stair, that is our monolithic stair, and precast stair. So we are talking about monolithic stair. So just select on that. Now here we'll create one basic stair from level 1 to level 2. Let me create. So over here I will start stair from here. So here we have total 17 risers. So here in the first flight, let's say assign the 8 risers, and let me skip some distance over here and we'll start second flight from here, and let's finish this stair. So as you can see, like this way, this kind of stair we have created. So if you see over here from the right view, let me show you. So here we have landing. So thickness is too big. So how you guys can create the how you guys can change this thickness for the structural landing. So I'll show you, and we'll play with different instance and type parameter for the stairs. So let's start. So just select the stair over here. Before that, we'll finish this stair. Now stair has been created. So over here, just we need to remove this rail because we don't need for now. Just delete. For the delete, you can use the DE shortcut. Okay. Let's move something here. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's go select the stair. Go to edit type, and over here first we'll duplicate because we are changing the parameters. So just duplicate, and let's monolithic stair 2. That's fine. Click on the OK. Now we have duplicated the stair type. Now click on the OK. Now let me tell you about different instance parameters for the monolithic stair. So if you select the stair, if you find over here we have multiple parameters for the stair. One base level, top level, base offset, top offset. So let me explain first. So for that I'll cut one section over here, and let's flip this section, and let's go to view. So let me switch this view to the screen. So if you find over here the stair have been created from level 1 to level 2. Now let me explain different instance parameter. So over here base level is our level 1. So as you can see, this is our base level from where stair is starting, and this is our top level, that is our level 2. So as you can see over here, top level is our level 2, and where stair is ending. And select that stair, and base offset and top offset. What is the meaning? So if I wanted to provide the base offset, something like let me draw one line over here. Let's say 1 feet, And if I wanted to start this stair from this level, so just I need to assign the base offset of 1 feet. So just select stair, and over here we'll assign the base offset, let's say 1 feet. So as you can see, stair is starting from the here, and stair is ending at level 2. Over here, if you find this gap, because our stair is end with riser, so that's why in the monolithic stair, Revit is showing this gap. Now select stair, and if I wanted to provide the base offset, top offset, so we can control over here. So let's say यहाँ पे मैं 1 feet, let's say -1 feet provide करता हूँ, and click on the enter. So as you can see, यहाँ पे लेवल 2 से -1 feet पे यहाँ पे उसका टॉप जो है वो कंसिडर हुआ है. सो लाइक दिस वे यू कैन प्ले विथ बेस ऑफसेट एंड top offset in the stair parameters to maintain the stair height, to control the stair height. So let's set to default again. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम दोनों offset को भी फिलहाल 0 रखेंगे. Now let's move further. So over here, if you select the stair, if you find over here, you will find desired number of risers. So whenever you create the stair in the Revit, let's create similar over here. Then if you when you select the labels and you assign the base and top offset, so stair height will be calculated automatically over here. So based on that, Revit will calculate the number of risers automatically. So this is our number of risers. So now let's go to another parameters of the monolithic stair. Now go to edit type. So over here you will find maximum riser height, trade depth, minimum run width, etc. And here for the construction, run type, landing type, and function. So now let me show you one thing. If you wanted to change this thickness, suppose let's draw one detail line over here too. So let me show you. If you wanted to change this thickness, so how you guys can change this thickness? Let me change this scale over here so you can visualize better. Okay, that's fine. So now how you guys can change the thickness of the stair run? So let me show you. So just select the stair type and go to edit type, and here in the run type we have selected 150 mm depth run type. So just go to edit type, and over here we'll duplicate the let's say 10-inch run type, and click on the OK. And over here you will find structural depth. So here we'll put the 10-inch, let's say, and click on the finish. Okay. So as you can see, we have structural depth of 10-inch for the run type. Similar way, you can change the structural depth of landing also. So select stair, go to edit type, and over here if you find landing type, so over here already we have 300 mm thickness landing type. So we'll duplicate that landing type, and we'll assign the, let's say, 8-inch landing. So here we are creating duplicate type, and click on the OK. Over here we'll assign the monolithic thickness. You need to change over here. So let's change to 8-inch. Now click on the OK. Again click on the OK. So as you can see, यहाँ पे thickness जो है वो change हो गई है. Let me assign one dimension. So as you can see, we have 8-inch thickness of landing, and if you observe here, we have 10-inch of run structural depth thickness. So like this way you can change the thickness of the run and landing. Now let's move further. Let's go to 3D view, and if you observe, we have risers and trades, and If you observe over here, we have concrete material, and sometimes we need to provide the minor small finish on the risers and trades. So how we can assign the finish in the monolithic stair, in the concrete stair? So I'll show you. So to assign the materials or finish on the structural uh, concrete stair, monolithic stair. So just select that stair and go to edit type. So in the run type, we can change and we can assign the material. So if you find over here uh, in the material, monolithic material is already concrete cast in place. So we'll keep as it is and we'll assign the trade. So over here, we'll check this option and similar way, we'll check the riser option. So over here, we'll remove the slanted option for now, and for the trade we'll keep the thickness, let's say 1 by 4 inch thickness. So it's a minor thickness, so because we are providing the finished material on the monolithic stair, so let's say 1 by 4 inch thickness. And for the riser we'll also keeping same value, and click on the apply and click on the OK. Again click on the OK. So as you can see, यहाँ पे एक फिनिश मटेरियल आ गया है. So let's assign the material. Go to edit type and go to 10-inch run type. So over here we'll assign the riser and trade material. So let's assign the wood material over here. Let's search for the wood. So let's assign the this cherry wood material over here. For the riser, for the trade, we'll assign same material. So just copy this material and paste to trade material tab. So like this way, you can copy paste material and click on the OK. So as you can see, यहाँ पे material assign हो गया है. So let me change to realistic. Okay, it's already in realistic. Like this way, you can assign the finished material on the monolithic stair. Okay, now let me show you another thing for the monolithic stair. So for that, I'll make another monolithic stair. So for that, I'll create one 3 feet height stair. So over here, we'll select the zero, I mean none in the top level, and we'll consider the 3 feet height over here. And let's select the start point to end point and click on the finish. And let's change the monolithic stair type to monolithic stair. And let me BX this stair selection box. For the selection box, you can use the BX command. So as you can see, over here we have one monolithic stair, but we have gap under the stair. So how you guys can fill the gap under the stair? So to fill this gap, we have one tricky way in the Revit. For that, just go to just select the stair and go to edit type over here. And here you will find the run type 150 depth. So for that, select this 3 dot option, and here we'll duplicate the monolithic run type. So here let's say 3 feet 0-inch run. Let's assign this name, click on the OK, and over here you will find the structural depth. So to fill the gap under the stair, whatever desired stair height you provided over here, you need to put same value over here. Suppose यहाँ पे हमने 3 feet यहाँ पे stair की height रखी है, so we'll put same value over here. Let's enter 3 feet and click on the OK. Again click on the OK. So as you can see, यहाँ पे smartly we have solved the issue to fill the gap under the stair. So like this way, you can create this kind of solid monolithic stair having no gap under the stair. So this is how you can create the monolithic stair in the Revit, and how to fill gap under the stair, and how to assign the finish material on the monolithic stair, and how to change the structural depth of landing and run. So I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you have learned something new through this tutorial. So if you find this video useful, and if you really like this video, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.